if you have some idea about what is the question in the Pacific World, especially in China, because today China have more and more importance in the decision of the world, as you know, and I have a project also to help all the people of the, especially Asia. So what is the idea of this in Asia, especially in China? You can do something in these countries or no?
Anyone else who would like to speak up? Please.
I think that China is indeed a special case, partly by its size, partly by the nature of its language, and partly because of its current governance and its views as part of that governance of control. If, in fact, what we do is more like air, and it's there, it's just there, China can outlaw it, and for a while, Chinese would be deprived of a very important asset. A country like India, more or less the same size, soon to be even bigger, probably would not, but maybe some states would. But over time, people would be looking over a short period of time at the advancements and accomplishments, particularly of the rural sector. Using this, they would relax, and we don't need them to buy into the beginning. We're not asking for their vote. We're not asking them for their money. We're not asking them for anything. We don't even have to ask their permission. So if it can be there, whether they use it or not, I think you would find that it would leak into society, and then eventually people would demand it, or it would happen naturally, because I believe the Chinese represent the biggest number of absolute users of the internet from any country in the world today. So they're already big users. It's just in a very controlled situation.
So you say you propose the WCO because this is a world instrument. Therefore, you propose a world organization that will make this really available immediately for everybody in the same time, with the same characteristics. This is, let's say, the revolution that you propose. Easier than water because you have to move, you have to do. Simply you say, look, this is a totally different case from any other case, because with a very small amount of money, you can provide everybody this service, equal in quality, a real right. Okay, this is the point, and the cost is absolutely modest, you know, in terms of mankind is zero. Let's put it this way, you know, it's okay. Because I think that this is a revolution, you know. I think
If I may say, I find it, we have to cut the discussion here because we want to listen to Professor Sachs. But we talk about the public goods. There's a clear logic in your argument to call for a WCO. Public goods need to be delivered by public institutions. But I'm sure we will come back to your proposals. I am pleased to announce the next topic, why connectivity is vital for the Sustainable Development Goals. Welcome to you, Jeffrey Sachs. It's great that you made it. You missed a superb talk by President Prodi, but we will brief you. Jeffrey Sachs is University Professor and Director of the Earth Institute of Columbia University and Special Advisor to the UN Secretary General on Sustainable Development Goals. And you are also involved with the Broadband Commission for Sustainable Development. Jeff, you have the floor.